Valentine's Day this year, I decided to do a sip and paint at home with the kiddos. But first things first, I gotta fix this. I gotta fix my favorite wall, y'all. I was outside one day and the wind took it down. Okay, and I will say, doing this project made me miss working with wood. Y'all, I used to love cutting. Not love, but I actually throw it. Why am I telling y'all this? I don't know. But y'all, I added hinges to it to make it more stable. And I think it's going to be up there for a good little while. So boom, next thing I did was cleared my dining room. When I tell y'all I hate working with this wooden arch, I hate working with this wooden arch. It's too big. It's too heavy for me. I'm actually thinking about selling it. But it's like I be having, they didn't do it right. It's leaning. The thing be leaning, y'all. Y'all should have seen what I had to do to get it stand up straight. And for the pink fringe wall, I've made that YouTube video already. Why have you not watched it? And if you don't have TikTok or you don't enjoy TikTok, what are you doing, baby? TikTok University. You gonna learn something on TikTok, okay? Whether it's negative, it's something, you gonna learn something, okay? So this is actually a tablecloth that I'm using. TikTok taught me. It's a tablecloth that I purchased from Amazon, y'all, and I'm using it as my backdrop cover, period, pool. And I know times are hard. Currently, I'm feeling a little struggle myself, you feel me? So listen, don't go out and try and buy everything. I don't think my little setup is top notch, okay? I had most items already on hand, but yeah, wait. This is it, y'all. This is the setup. It was real cutesy, real demure, period, pool. But yeah, friend, like as I was saying, don't try to do too much. Do what your budget can allow, okay? These are the balloons that I'm using, Amazon Party Woo. And that's my son in the background, y'all. It's like a rare sighting that you're going to see Davian in my videos. He don't like it. And friend, before we get to the next shot, listen, time was of the essence, okay? I didn't have much time on these balloons. Your girl was tired from working, okay? Did I know Valentine's was coming up? Yes. Did I know I want to do this for Valentine's? Yes. Did I procrastinate? Yes, I did, but it got done. So don't do too much on my balloon setup. I normally do what I do, but I was slacking this day, so don't judge. And around these parts, we do recycle. So y'all know my large middle wooden backdrop that's heavy that I want to get rid of. I took that vinyl off of there and put it on that favorite wall, boo-boo, okay? Period, poo. And I got my cups from Dollar Tree besides the pink ones. The pink ones, they're from my daughter's birthday party last year in November, y'all. Your girl gonna keep it on hand, okay? I'm not throwing nothing away. So this was the end result for the favorite wall, aka the sip station. Now I do wish I would have changed that red vinyl to pink, but baby, I already had cut out. I already had it. And I just used these hearts that I had left over from doing Brielle's favors for Valentine's Day for her class. I had more left over, so I just put those right there. And I will fill the cups later on towards the day. We didn't do this sip and paint until later that night around 6 o'clock. Don't put too much focus into this pink garland. You see me, you see my hand. Even I knew the red one was okay, but the pink one, baby, you just threw it together, okay? Not gonna lie. So next up I did was setting up the table. So you guys, everything that you see I already had, minus the food, because I went and bought Valentine's themed desserts. So everything you see, I already had. But basically what I'm doing is trying to see how I want everything. Trying to do the layout, basically. I'm trying to do the layout. And what I did was I set everything up and then I went and placed the food where I wanted it to go. So when I come back later that night, it will be easier for me to just take everything out of the package. And I didn't want to take it out now. Flies, kids. Okay. And y'all, when I'm doing these videos, not only am I creating content, but my kids actually enjoy these moments. And it's like we're making memories. And so what I be telling myself is when my kids get older, I'ma hate whoever they date, like their significant other, because it's not going to be the bare minimum. They shouldn't expect the bare minimum. Everything your mama did for you, everything your mama showed you, you shouldn't expect the bare minimum. So if you do, I'm going upside the head. And me and Brielle did decide to do a little taste test now. Just a little 1-2 here and there. Just a little taste test. And if you do decide to do a sip and paint at home, baby, Dollar Tree is going to be your best friend, okay? I always start at Dollar Tree. And this is basically me showing you guys everything that I had. And some things I did reuse. Like, the thing for the wine. It's coming up. But I used that for Brielle's Barbie birthday party. Here you go. Brielle's Barbie birthday, and just turn it around, baby. I was not about to take that vinyl off of, I can't even think of the name, but I was not about to take the vinyl off. So what I do, turn it around, turn it around. And I got these donuts from Dunkin'. She said they was fresh. Girl, give me my goddamn donuts so I can go. And I'm already late to work trying to get coffee. Give me my donuts so I can go, sis. But yeah, this is how everything was set up prior to me taking everything out the package. And those number 5 thingies, I got Dollar Tree, and I just added a ribbon and the number 5. And then later I will add a heart. Switch it out. Reuse everything, y'all. I'm gonna switch the 5 out for a heart and make it do what it do. And y'all, a donut is missing was missing because of Davion. And you know what's crazy? He gonna come and ask me afterwards, hey mom, is these for the sip and paint thing? Why did you not ask me that before you ate the donut? You gonna ask me that after you ate the donut? Boy, get on my face. Get on my face. So next, I set up the easels. Now, I did have to purchase 2, but I already had one from, of course, Brielle's birthday party. So what I'll do is just keep these in my garage until we use them again next time. Keep everything. And so what I didn't know, that with painting, baby, it takes some time, okay? I got time. I didn't even finish my painting. I'm not gonna lie. It is time consuming, but I got to enjoy my baby. And because I was indecisive on what I wanted to do, I did purchase painting kits as well as blank canvases from Michaels. Y'all, I Instacart everything now. Shout out to my mama. She added me to her Instacart little account, girl. I be living it up on that Instacart, girl. She texted me one day. She was like, I said, you like Instacart and do? And it saves me so much time, especially with this, y'all. I thought I forgot something. Instacart. Forgot this. Instacart, y'all. I was in Instacart heaven, but yeah. And I did already have acrylic paint that I ordered in Germany and never used, so I didn't buy any paint. But luckily, these kits did come with paint, and it came with like instructions on how to mix your paint to get a specific color, y'all. It was real cute. Time consuming, but it was cute. So this is me using my Cricut to cut the hearts out for the table. Now, I didn't know on glitter cardstock you had to adjust the setting, but I got it done. And this is how the table turned out. Ow. And so what I'm good at is going overboard. I always overbuy. Now, most of the stuff the kids didn't even eat, but they ate it the next day, okay? It got ate. And this is the heart pizza that I ordered from Pizza Hut. And first thing Brielle see, it's burnt on the side. Girl, be quiet. Please be quiet. And I did purchase everyone pajamas, but me procrastinate. I did have to go in Target to find Kai and myself some pajamas, y'all. So I wasn't feeling it, but you know, it wasn't the best, but I had some pajamas. I had pink pajamas and I had him something red. But this is how my painting began. Did I finish it again? No, I did not. And this is Brielle, y'all. I asked her was she gonna follow the picture, the demonstration picture. She was like, no, she gonna do her own thing. Okay, baby, you got it. And then was crying 5 minutes later to my she messed up. Girl, bye. And when I tell you they put paint everywhere, baby, they put paint everywhere. You see that stain on the wall? It look like a little shit stain, but no, it's paint that Brielle accidentally put on the wall. So it was cool. I got to paint anyway. So most of the paint came up but on the wall. And that's basically how our night went. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you made it this far, I hope you subscribed as well. Have a blessed day.